Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix crashing on startup problem in Throne and Liberty. So the first solution is simply click on the Throne and Liberty game, then just click on the gear icon of your game, then go to the properties. Now just you will see the launch option. Now just type here the minus DX11. Once you type it, launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then completely close the game, then go to your game properties. Now here in the launch option, just type the minus D3D11. Guys, once you type this command, then just launch the game again, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then just remove this launch option, then completely close the game. Now, to fix this problem is update your GPU drivers. Ensure that your graphic drivers, NVIDIA, AMD are up to date. Crashing or startup are often caused by outdated or incompatible drivers. So once you update your driver, simply restart your PC, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, the next solution to fix this problem is run as administrator. So open up the Steam, then just go to your game properties, then just click on the install files, then just click on the browse option. Now here just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game where your game launches. So make a right click on your game launcher and you will see the properties. Now click on the compatibility. Now here just check this box of run as administrator, then just click on the apply and also check this box of the disable full screen optimization, then click on apply, then launch the game and then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then also check this box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, then click on the apply, then click on the OK, then launch the game and check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is verify game files. So simply open up the Steam, go to your game properties. Now go to the install file, then just click on the verify integrity of game files, then launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then disable overlays. Disable in-game overlay like Steam, Discord or GeForce Experience. This can sometimes interfere with game launches and cause crash. So simply open up the Steam, then click on the gear icon of your game, go to your game properties. Now just uncheck this box of enable Steam overlay while in game. Now once you uncheck it, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is still not fixed, if Discord is installed on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. It is very important to disable Discord overlay, then launch the game again, then check. Now, it is also very important that the your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. So simply open up the Windows update and simply update your Windows, then restart the PC, then launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then disable antivirus or firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software or whitelist Chrome and Liberty. Sometimes security software incorrectly flags game files, preventing the game from launching. Now, you can simply go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows security and simply open it. Now just click on the virus, then just scroll down, click on the manage and severe protection, then just uncheck this box of control folder access, then launch the game and check problem 6 or not. Now, the next solution is lower graphics setting. If the game crashes during the loading screen, lower the graphics setting before the game starts. This can be done in the config file if you cannot get into the game itself. Now, the next solution to fix this problem is reinstall the game. If none of the above method work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Throne and Liberty to ensure that all files are properly installed. Then simply restart your PC, then launch the game and check. Now, I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem, and if your problem is fixed, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.